How to find mentions settings on Instagram Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find mentions settings on Instagram Lite. First then open Instagram Lite and now click on your profile here and then click these three lines in top corner and here you will find settings and now click privacy. Now just scroll down. Here you will find mentions, click on it and as you see here you can manage mentions settings. You can make it from everyone or just no one, and that's it. And that's how to find the mentions settings. And that's it for today's video. Don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.